This portion is brought to you by Bureau of Internal Revenue, RDO 38.
Welcome back sa Entrepinas TV. May mga katanungan din ba kayo tungkol sa extension ng estate amnesty tax? Yan ang ipapaliwanag ni ka-Entrepinas Margie De Castro ng Bureau of Internal Revenue, RDO 38, dito sa EntrepTips.
Magandang araw mga ka-Entrepinas. Ako si Margie De Castro ng Bureau of Internal Revenue, RDO 38, nagbabalik para sa EntrepTips. Ngayong araw, pag-uusapan naman natin ang tungkol sa extension ng estate tax amnesty. Itong estate tax is a kind of transfer tax wherein the owner or the transferor is already dead. So, eventually, this properties owned by a dead person cannot be transferred to its heirs without paying the estate tax. So, dapat bayaran muna ang estate tax bago ma-transfer ang property nung namatay to its immediate heirs. So, yun po ang estate tax. Ngayon, ang government ay nagbibigay ng amnestiya. Way back pa, no? Let's say, namatay 1990s. Ay, ang laki ng penalties doon. Actually, ang mabigat doon ang penalties, hindi po ang basic tax due. Ang penalties kasi, dati, ang estate tax, dapat you have to pay the estate tax only 6 months from the date of death. O 6 months, 10 years na, o magkano na ang penalty. Kaya meron tayong amnesty, it's high time. Kasi sa amnestiya natin, sa estate tax amnesty, ang babayaran lang ay basic tax. At the rate pa talaga ng 6%. Kasi dati malaki from 10%, from 5% up to 25%. Wave po lahat ang penalty. So, ang laki ng sa financial burden ng mga years. Malaki pong kaginhawaan yan. Ito po ay covered ng Revenue Regulation 10-2023. Nag-end na po yung pangalawang extension na 2 years ng estate tax amnesty noong June 14, 2023. So, na-extend ngayon at hindi lang in-extend. It has been expanded. Dati kasi ay hanggang yung death of the decedent is December 31, 2017. With RR 10, that's 2023, this has been expanded to cover decedent's death as of May 31, 2022. So, ibig sabihin, yung mga decedent na matay ng May 31, 2022 and the prior dates, sila po, ang mga years na yan ay pwede nilang i-avail under the estate tax amnesty yung estate tax payment ng kanilang mga ninuno, yung decedent. Na-extend po ito dahil marami pong nag-request, no? Eventually, this has been extended and nagkaroon na tayo ng implementing revenue regulation. So, I think it's high time, no? So, the new deadline is on June 14, 2025. So, wag na nating paabutin ang deadline. Ipaprocess nyo na po itong estate tax amnesty kasi hindi mo mamalayan ang bilis ng panahon, maging deadline na naman agad yan. So, we encourage all the heirs na may mga pending estate tax to avail of this estate tax amnesty. At yan ang EntrepTips na hatid namin sa inyo sa araw na ito. Muli, ako si Margie De Castro ng Bureau of Internal Revenue, RDO 38, ang inyong kasabay sa pag-asenso sa buhay at negosyo.